Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps. ChatGPT is your AI companion, ready to generate scripts, blog posts, and brainstorm ideas at lightning speed. Let's see how it crafts a YouTube script in seconds. Ever wondered how to turn text into breathtaking images? Meet DALLE, the AI that transforms descriptions into visuals. Picture a dog in space or a dragon sipping coffee. DALLE makes it happen effortlessly. Use DALLE to create eye-catching thumbnails and social media visuals. Imagine the impact of a futuristic city at sunset, crafted in seconds. It's your tool for stunning, shareable content. Combine ChatGPT's content creation with DALLE's visuals for maximum impact. Watch as ChatGPT generates a script and DALLE brings it to life with vibrant images. This duo is a recipe for viral content. Imagine a video concept where ChatGPT writes the narrative and DALLE crafts the visuals. Together, they create engaging, shareable content that captivates audiences and boosts your reach. Want your content to stand out? Use DALLE for captivating thumbnails that grab attention. Let ChatGPT craft engaging scripts that keep viewers hooked. Stay updated with trends to ensure your content remains relevant. Recap: by combining ChatGPT and DALLE, you create content that's both engaging and visually stunning. This powerful duo helps you craft viral content effortlessly, keeping your audience coming back for more. Call to action: ready to create viral content? Try ChatGPT and DALLE today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tips. Let's revolutionize your content creation journey together.